canceled! Hurry up! We will be late for the train!
Hurry up!
I'm coming!
We are at the train station.
I will buy the tickets.
The train starts at 7 a.m. and ends at 10 a.m. Please get off at station number 3.
Can I see your tickets, kids?
Yes, here you are.
All aboard. Okay, thank you. Please get on the train.
Yay! I love the train. Dad, that mountain is so big. Why is that mountain green?
Because there are many trees on it, my son.
Mom, why is it so dark?
Because we are going into a tunnel, my daughter.
That river is so long.
Yes, it is curvy and very beautiful.
Hurry up! Grandpa and Grandma are waiting for us.
Wow! This tractor is so cool!
Oh, my grandchild!
Grandpa!
I miss you so much.
Okay, let us go home.
Grandma, I miss you so much!
Oh, my sweet kids! I miss you too! Are you tired from the trip?
No, I am very happy.
You grow so fast.
Bill, Anna, come here.
Okay, go with Grandpa. I will cook the meal.
Yes, Grandma!
Do you want to visit our farm?
Yes, I want it! Grandpa, why do you whistle?
Wait a little, you will see soon.
Oh, a dog.
His name is Jack. He is very loyal.
And so cute.
Come with me. This is our chicken farm.
A chicken farm! Hooray!
Hooray! That is a rooster. It crows every morning.
Grandpa, is this also a rooster?
No, that is a hen. A hen lays eggs. Look, here are the eggs.
Awesome!
Let us go on. These are cows.
Grandpa, can I ride it?
No, no. This cow is not for riding. This is a milk cow. A milk cow gives us milk. Here, for you.
Wow, it is so yummy.
Not yet. There is more. Follow me.
Follow me.
This is my pig pen. These are pigs.
Wow, these pigs are so fat.
Now, I will take you to my favorite place. This is my fish pond. Oh,
Wow, the fish jump so high. Amazing. Grandpa, are those chickens that can swim?
No, Bill. Those are ducks.
Grandpa, kids, come back. Come back to eat watermelon.
Okay, Grandma, I am coming.